Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to claim a 1000 free profit account that you can use to start trading without having to make deposits. All you have to do is just follow me to the end as I show you the step-by-step guide on how you can get started with this particular account. Now, to get the link to where you'll be getting the account, all you have to do is just click on the link in the description of this video, take it to my Telegram channel. Once you get there, you click on join. You join the channel, then you can go ahead and get the link that will bring you right to where you'll be getting started with this account. Now, after clicking on the link, it will bring you right to interface like this, showing on the screen. All you have to do is just click on sign up because we're going to be registering an account with them. You have to click on sign up, then this is what you have. Now showing on the screen are the necessary details that you need to get started with this particular account. After filling the necessary details, all you have to do is just agree to their terms and policy, then you can go ahead and click on get funded. After clicking on get funded, this is what you have showing on your screen. As you can see right here, this is what you have showing your screen. You just have to wait patiently for it to load. So you scroll up and this is what you have right here. As you can see, this is the 1000 free profit account that we'll be using to get this account right showing on the screen, and this is the coupon code that we'll be using. As you can see, the account is going for $15 before, but now it's $0. So now all you have to do is just click on get started. You click on get started, then after clicking on get started, so after clicking on get started, this is what you are shown on your screen. Showing on the screen are the details of the account. As you can see, the minimum trading days, minimum daily loss, the profit target, everything that you need to know concerning this particular account. This account is a standard account and you'll be trading it on your MetaTrader 5. Now, all you have to do is just agree to their terms and policy right here, and do not forget to put in your details, the other information that is needed, which is the address information. You go back and fill in your address right here, then after that you can come back here and click on complete payment. Then as you can see right showing on the screen, it is processing. Then you have to wait patiently for it to load. Now the next thing is shown on the screen is that your email has not been verified. Then you click on verify email, then you'll be sent a code. You click on send code, then you'll be sent the code. All you have to do is just get the code, then you come back here and paste the code right showing on the screen. Now the next thing you are going to do now is to click on the verify email. After you've pasted the code, you wait patiently for it to load. Then after that, all you have to do is just wait patiently. Then you have this showing on the screen, email verification successful. Then you have to verify your WhatsApp. Now to verify your WhatsApp, make sure you add a WhatsApp number that you can get a code with, because they'll be sending you the code. So you add the phone number for the WhatsApp, then you click on get code and they'll be sending you the OTP via your WhatsApp. Now showing on the screen, as you can see right here, the OTP has been sent. All I have to do is just get the OTP, then I'll copy and paste it right here. Then after that, all you have to do is just go ahead and click on verify right showing on the screen. Then after that, you wait patiently for it to load so you can move on to the next step on how you can get started with this particular account. Now I'm just going to wait patiently. Then after that, this is what you have. As you can see, WhatsApp verification successful. The next thing you're going to do is start documentation verification. You can click on it, then you go ahead and complete the necessary necessary things that you need to do on this account. Then you can now come back here and click on process confirm payment, and you can now go ahead to process the payment for this account. Then after that, all you have to do is just wait patiently, then you'll be sent in your details that you're using to trade in your MetaTrader 5. Now showing on the screen is the login details that you're using to trade in your MetaTrader 5. As you can see right showing on the screen, all you have to do is just copy in your login details and your password. Then you can now go ahead and head to your MetaTrader 5. The server is Achiever Global Market, as you can see right here. Achiever Global Market, that's what you'll be searching for your MetaTrader 5. Now let's head to our MetaTrader 5 to get the account started. Moving on is a MetaTrader 5. As you can see right showing on the screen, all you have to do is just search for the broker Achiever Global Markets, as you can see right showing on the screen. Then you go ahead and put in your login details. Go ahead and put in your login details, and you go ahead and you can now click on login. And after adding your necessary details, as you can see right showing on the screen, then go ahead and click on login to get started with the account. You click on login. Then after logging in, as you can see right here, you have your 1000 free profit account that you can use to get started with trading, as you can see right showing on the screen. Now the next thing you want to do now is to go ahead and click on trade, and you have your balance right there showing on the screen. Now this is all you need to know concerning this particular account. If you have any question, please do well to drop it in the comment section. Do not forget to like, share, comment, and most importantly subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on any details information regarding forex no deposit bonuses, free find account, free profit account, and how you can make money online. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in my next video. Bye.